Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for your state ID or real ID in 2025, step by step and by state. Whether you don't have a driver's license, are a new immigrant, or just need an official ID, this guide is for you. Let's get started. What is a state ID and real ID? First, let's quickly explain the difference. A state ID is a government-issued identification card for people who don't drive or don't have a driver's license. A real ID is a special type of state ID that meets federal security standards. After May 7, 2025, you'll need a real ID to board commercial flights or enter some federal buildings. So if you fly often or need access to federal facilities, you'll want a real ID. Otherwise, a regular state ID might be enough. Who needs a state ID or real ID? People who usually need these IDs include non-drivers, new immigrants, seniors without driver's licenses, people who lost their driver's license. If this sounds like you, keep watching. What documents do you need? Each state has different requirements, but generally you'll need 1. Proof of identity, like a birth certificate or passport. 2. Proof of social security number, or a letter of ineligibility if you don't have one. 3. Proof of residency, such as a utility bill, lease, or bank statement. I recommend checking your specific state's DMV website to get the exact list. Step-by-step application process. Now let me walk you through the typical steps. 1. Visit your local DMV website to download the application form or see if you can apply online. 2. Fill out the application form carefully. 3. Gather your documents. Make sure they are originals or certified copies. 4. Schedule an appointment online if your DMV requires it. 5. Go to the DMV office at your appointment time with your documents. 6. Pay the fee, usually between $10 and $50 depending on the state. 7. Have your photo taken and submit your application. 8. Wait for your card. It may be mailed to you in a few weeks. Tips and common mistakes. Double-check your documents before you go. Don't forget to bring proof of residency with your current address. Make sure your social security info matches your documents. Arrive early if you have an in-person appointment. Ask about Real ID upgrade if you want federal access. If you don't have a social security number, many states accept a letter of ineligibility or other documents. If you're undocumented, some states still issue state IDs. Check local DMV policies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more step-by-step guides. Comment your state below if you want me to make a detailed guide just for your state. See you next time.